And the sirens again. Oh, that's weird. Blue sky with the creepy cloud. Oh, look at that. There's even sunset over there. That's a creepy looking cloud. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Ooh, see that lightning? I shouldn't be under the trees, I suppose. I'm gonna end up killing myself. Ooh, do you see that? Oh, there goes a dog. That's the same dog I saw running around loose the other day. What's it doing out here? I hate people that let their dogs run around loose. He's out here in a thunderstorm. I have no idea where he lives. Stupid people. Where did he go? Oh, he's going down the street. Same way I saw him go earlier. Well, I'm going to be worried about this dog. I have to go.